Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to fix Facebook featured photo not appearing problem. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. So let's start today's video without any further ado. So if you're having a problem with featured photo not showing up, so basically you can just delete the featured photo and add it again. Like, that's one way to solve it. Like, if you are not able to view your featured photo and it's not appearing, then you can just delete it and add it again. And if it's still showing the same problem again, you can just offload Facebook by going into setting like this. You can go on setting, go to app management, and on app management go on Facebook, go on storage usage, clear data, clear. So basically what this does is it's like literally reinstalling Facebook. It's gonna delete all the cache data of Facebook which was stored in your phone, and it's gonna make Facebook new. So after doing this, you can just close the setting, go to Facebook and log into your Facebook account again, and hopefully your problem should be fixed. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.